Salem Secondary School la nongkrem kala Pynlong ke annual sports meet hakalai poitrek ulaber arja arpulai hamadan SM Stadium Smith hakabau MLA jika nongkrem ulalong kongsan hakani ke jele akai sports ki khana dan ke jia ko mare berkibai de ke jele akai ke belapen sotenat bat pen kemeni ki khana school buat hapreng ke jingwit jong islam kawai ni ke jele akai belapen kende ki khana school ki noi kai berkimi pa ka de march pass jong ki kin huana ni ki house prepare bala pia na ka benta kan ni ka sports meet habakran ha kan ni ka jele akai uba aden ubala shimru e ka salute ni ki khana ki bele march pass but samru e ki prize shi ki nong job udong baka long ka badai baka school ka Pynlong e kan ni ka sports na mar ki khana ki dan kam e ka jingkilan met bat pen pengad e ki jabing jongki
Ray kasmo bangalong ru kabanta jong ni school daga jingdon ka jong iwe na ki khon ke jai ba puli hakani school. I would like to appreciate the school managing committee for organizing this annual school sport, because we know that as students they need a break from months of their studies in order to revitalize and rejuvenate their minds and bodies. And in the national education policy, the government of India had emphasized the need to include sports and physical education in the curriculum of the school, because as policy makers they understand that our bodies need physical activities. Therefore, it is very important for the school management, for all the school management, to include sports activities as one of the curriculums in the school. We know that we cannot spend time only in reading, in studies. Our minds needs rest, our bodies needs physical activities so that it will refresh and give strength to our bodies. Especially in the present days, we understand that physical activity is very important to improve our health also. It will therefore necessary for the school students to discipline, to program their lives in such a way that they can manage their time for studies, for physical activities, and also for some other activities at home.